Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 5, chapter matrix exercise 1, questions from the topic. So this is our question number 22. Today it's quite a good question. If we just see a small correction here, this is not x1, it is nothing but matrix x1. So it is a matrix of 2, 1 cross 2. So 1 row, 2 column. So this is 1 row, 2 column, 2 row, 2 column, and then this is again 2 row, 1 column. So we have to multiply. So this is after that it is a very straightforward question. Once we have this matrix, so we just multiply these two. We multiply these two. So when you multiply these two, we will get 1 into 2 order matrix. So subsequent matrix will be 1 into 2. So 1 into 2 and then 2 into 1. So after this multiplication, we will get a 1 into 1 order matrix, which is what we can see here. So when we multiply this, we get this matrix. And then when we multiply this, eventually we will get a quadratic equation. So this is about matrix multiplication, which we have already done before. So we did not do it once more if we are just one quick revision. So this 1, 0, minus 2, minus 3 and x3. So we have to always go in the order. We can either do this first or this first. That is all right. We can do either. And for example, here, if we go like this, it will be 1 into 2 matrix. So x will multiply with both. So the first thing we will get is x minus 2 and then 0 minus 3. So this is this into this. And then we multiply x and 3. This whole thing multiplies with this. So we get x into x minus 2 minus 3 into 3 is equal to 0. So this is what is this. And then this will be a quadratic, which we can simply solve as we solve a quadratic equation. So that's about it. Thank you.